So I would like to know, BoxyCharm, where is a palette? Where is a MAC lipstick? Where is the sponge in the cage that everyone was receiving? I want to know what happened. And I also want to know, did anybody else get a box like this? Hi everyone, and welcome back to my channel. I want to wish you all a happy new year. We're only a few days into 2021, but I'm hoping that those past few days have already been better than that dumpster fire that we'll refer to as 2020. Unfortunately for me, 2020 had the last laugh and the last word. On New Year's Eve, this arrived, and although I was very excited to see it, this is the base box for December. Once I opened it, I wished it never had arrived. If you're interested to find out why I think this box is such a huge disappointment, then keep watching. So every month, I'm always excited to hear about BoxyCharm spoilers, whether it comes from other YouTube channels or from the BoxyCharm social media accounts. December's base box should have been amazing. I know not everyone receives all of the spoilers, but you usually include at least one, right? There were mentions of the Huda eyeshadow palettes that came in 2 variations. There was another eyeshadow palette from Artist Couture. There were MAC lipsticks, Glamnetic eyelash kit, the Huda banana powder. There were a lot, and unfortunately, not a single one made it into this box. So let me show you what I did get. So the first item I received is from Volition, and this is their Snow Mushroom Water Serum. This retails for $62, and although it is quite a pricey product, not something that was mentioned in a spoiler. The next item in the box is from Murad, and this is their exfoliating cleanser. This retails for $40 and is a multitasking cleansing exfoliant. Murad is a quality brand that produces quality product, and of all the products that I received in this box, this is the one that I'm excited about, a cleanser. The next item in the box is from Milk, and it is their Kush Mascara, and this retails for $24, and I received this in last month's premium box, I believe. Not sure why I'm receiving it again, but here it is, and once again, not a spoiler. The next item in the box is from INT, and this is their lip oil. This retails for $11, and not really a makeup product. This is more kind of skincare, lip care. So 5 items in the box, 3 are kind of in that skincare, lip care area. Not sure what to say. And the last item in the box is from Bodyography, and this is their Eye Pencil Duo, and this retails for $16. I also received this in another box last month or the month prior. I have no idea what is happening or what happened. I'm hoping that this was a box that was intended for a new BoxyCharmer and my label got slapped on it. I'm not really sure what happened, but out of the 5 items that I received, 2 of them were makeup related. It's really frustrating when a company asks you questions, there's a quiz or questionnaire as to what your preferences are, and you give it to them and you tell them you want mostly makeup, and the box that they give you is mostly skincare. So I want to thank you for watching, and I'm really sorry that this unboxing turned into a gripe video, but you know what? I need to keep it real with you guys, and for me, this box was a huge fail. So anyway, if you like this video, please hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. And until the next unboxing, which I hope is much better. I mean, it couldn't be any worse, right? I'll see you next time. Bye, everyone.